Alright, what's up YouTube? It's April 20th, 2026, and today I'm going to be making a trade recap on how I made $0 today, day trading the NASDAQ, and I took one break-even trade. So, coming into market open, let me delete those. So, coming into market open, I saw we had like all-time highs right here, which is also previous day high, and then in the 4-hour time frame, we're clearly in an uptrend. We're in all-time highs territory, so just know it, you have to be taking longs. If you're taking shorts, like you're just gonna lose. Longs are just so obvious in this price action. So what I saw next was we had this end dog right here, and ES, we hadn't filled it yet fully before, and NQ did, but I don't really care about it at that point because I wanted to see ES fill that gap. And what I saw after that was this 30-minute gap right here. So from this 30-minute bullish gap, this is my condition. So if we respect this 30-minute gap, I want to see longs towards this 930 open high right here and the end of the end dog. The end of the end dog. So what do we see? Market opens right here, come up, make that 930 open high. Then we come down, manipulate into the 30-minute gap. Then we get this, I guess, stop right of this 15-minute gap down here. This 15-minute gap gets filled over here, and we sweep that equal low, the 15-minute equal low. So after I saw this, I was looking for longs. Even though we had all of this low resistance liquidity, we had an SMT off of 908 right here. So what we saw was at 908, NQ swept that 908 low, and ES, where's 908? Right here. So 908, ES didn't sweep it, but NQ did. So that protected our stop loss. So that's why I didn't really care about this low resistance liquidity. And we're just in all-time highs, so it's really clear we're gonna go higher. And once we swept that 15-minute equal lows and filled in the 15-minute gap, we got this AMD model. So 930, we just came down, generated this low resistance liquidity right here. Low resistance liquidity, then came lower. We had this accumulation right here. So, you know, let's just put this in red. Then manipulated lower right here. And then I was expecting that distribution higher. So right here, we got this 1-minute IFVG. I'll just delete. Alright. We got this 1-minute IFVG with a really healthy closure. So I took this long right here, stops below that low, and I targeted this 930 open high for a risk to reward of around a 1 to 2.9. and came up here. ES took out the high already, these highs, but I still want to see those get hit because ES didn't fill the full end dog, and we're in all-time high, so I just expected us to continue printing higher. But what happened was we created that SMT up here, and then I got stopped out at break even. And as you can see, the P&L, somehow I got filled with exactly $0 after spreads. So on the Lucid account, I'm still at 50K on the dot. I haven't made any money or lost any money. This is my first trade on the eval, so hopefully I can catch a winning day tomorrow or later this week. Get up like over 1,000 and then pass the eval before May. And yeah, that's the end of the trade recap. And if you guys want to see more content like this, subscribe to the YouTube. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.